StretchLab Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. StretchLab is a wellness studio focused on assisted stretching, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another gym service. The surprising truth is that StretchLab provides professional one-on-one stretching sessions tailored to your body, flexibility, and fitness goals. Pricing starts with a single session at around $2, while monthly membership packages can range from $2 depending on frequency. You won't believe the benefits a trained flexologist guides every stretch, improving flexibility, reducing muscle tension, and enhancing overall mobility. For regular members, this personalized approach can save time and reduce injury risk compared to unsupervised stretching. Most people get this wrong by thinking unlimited group fitness classes are a substitute. They are not. StretchLab sessions are individualized, meaning the results are faster and more precise. Some packages also include specialty stretches for athletes, seniors, or people with chronic conditions, adding targeted value. In conclusion, StretchLab's pricing is built around personalized service and measurable results. By understanding session rates, membership tiers, and specialty options, you go from zero to pro in deciding if assisted stretching fits your wellness budget, making it a worthwhile investment in your health.